business for over 25 years, and we supply over 250,000 drawbar hitch components to the ag industry annually. Our drop-in hammer strap is a standard factory feature on most North American tractors over 150 horsepower. Our drawbars harness the 600 horsepower tractors with this massive Category 5 2 3/4 inch drop-in. We bring parts into Parkman, we paint and assemble and ship directly to the tractor assembly lines.
Hi, I'm Brian Olson. I'm the inventor of drop-in hammer strap and a farmer that started PowerPin. So after we pretty well got all the North American market for ag hitches, we started looking at on-road, and we decided that we'd look in every component that goes into an on-road hitch. And of course, the first component we looked at is the tubes that go into the truck and how they're made. We decided to make ours different. We laminated it, so we took out the stress riser that's right in the critical area of it. Instead of taking the hitch apart to adjust it, we made 2 long slots in the mounting bracket. Each bolt has a clamp load of 12,000 pounds. So by loosening these 4 bolts, this is a carriage head bolt, you can loose it, you can slide it up and down, and you get the right height without any of the hassle for adjustment. This new combo hitch is a lot simpler than the old combo hitch. This is how you get it to unlock. The main thing we did with that though, the old combo hitches, when they had the ring on it, there was all this flap in it. So what we did, we tightened that tolerance up. So what happens there is you get a lot less friction and you get a lot less wear. Then we went to the ring hitches that are out there. This is an industry first. It has an integral lock built right into the ring hitch. This is our 20-ton design to lock it up. You put it in the hole and you put a padlock in the bottom. So it's got the hole for the integral lock in it. This is an industry first. It is a 3-hole design that's offset, so that basically the manufacturer doesn't need as long of brackets as he had before, so it saves them some cost because they can turn it over to get more adjustment. And the next thing we did was every safety chain is dragged on the ground. So we looked at the way safety chains are mounted up. Instead of having 2 chains, we made 1 long chain and we put it through holes here, and then we put the other end of the hook in. And then at the back we have a snap strap that basically, once that chain is hooked up, we can tighten it up and it'll never drag on the ground again. So it'll save you some money. So there's 5 different patents in here right now, and we've drawn on all the experience of the past 25 years for making the heaviest, most durable hitching components there is, not just for ag but for on-road. And one of the main components we looked at is there's a million of these trailer ball hitches out there. This is off my personal trailer. What happens, it seems like every time you try to hook up, the ball jams into that mechanism. You have to jack it back up, pull the ball out, and then when you do get the ball in there, this mechanism never seems to work and it seizes up. So what we have done is we've made the world's first automatic locking trailer ball hitch. It falls down and it locks itself up. You can put a clip in it to lock the lock, or if you want to lock the trailer up, you can put a padlock in it. To unlock it, you simply do this, balance it, and it's ready to go for the next hookup. So what we've also did is, for our farmer customers out there and supporting us all these years, we actually made a clevis to fit onto our 2-mount truck hitches, and that can pull any kind of farm equipment now, right up to a Category 4 implement ring will go in there, and you can put a clevis on the top. So we've made it so that it can be a farmer's hitch, I call it, or else it accepts whatever size trailer balls you want to put in it. You can put 2 trailer balls in it, different size, so you can flip them over and you get all this adjustment too.
standardized tractor drawbar assembly. We supply the majority of hammer straps and drop-ins that are painted here and shipped directly into Waterloo, Iowa to the tractor assembly plant. Parkman is also recognized as the Controlled Goods Program through the Government of Canada. This allows us to paint chemical agent resistant coating, better known as CARP. In the past, we have supplied U.S. military springs and have shipped them directly into Afghanistan. Parkman takes pride in our quality and our service to our customers.